So the reasons for a client to pay for the design process is, and I do believe this, you get what you pay for. If you're asking for budget numbers from most contractors, you're going to get numbers that are all over the place. And it's because you haven't really specified anything. No client is going to spell out everything that they want and the level of quality. And that's where the difference in prices really come into play. When a client pays us, they are indicating that they trust us. They wouldn't pay the money if they didn't trust us. And that to us is the most important thing that we have to establish at the beginning of the job. Does the client trust us? Do we trust the client? We pick the client just as carefully as hopefully they pick us. So it's kind of a litmus test to determine whether or not that client is a good fit for us if they value our time enough to pay for the budget development. And it does take us some time to put those together, and it takes our expertise too. Expertise that has taken us decades to establish, decades to learn, decades to learn from our mistakes. I deal with a lot of clients on the phone before we start. And one of the questions that I ask them is, why did you choose to call us? Well, they call us mainly for our reviews and our photos. And those reviews are from clients that have hired us in the past. And those clients see the value in working with us.